Hi and welcome to the Freelance channel. Today's video we're going to have a quick look at the latest feature from GCash called GCredit. So what is GCredit? Now GCredit is a credit limit which is quite similar to what you have in your credit card. But one of the difference with a credit card though is that GCredit can only be used, at least for now, via GCash QR merchants. So it's not available to all. It's only available currently to GCash QR merchants. GCredit also serves as an extra payment source that you can use instead of the actual cash-in amount you have on your balance. But as a word of caution though, just like most credit-based services, there is an associated interest and penalty if you fail to pay your due on your payment due date. So be sure to use your credit wisely. Now the minimum penalty is at 200 pesos, which is quite hefty. Plus, there's also an additional 5% of unpaid due principal for every 30 days missed. So while this is an easy way to get credit, you'll have to make sure you maintain a good credit standing, or it's called G-score, as it will determine your credit worthiness. So the lower your G-score, the lower your credit limit is. So right now, if you haven't tried it, you can go ahead and log into your GCash account and just tap on Manage Credit. There you will have a step-by-step on how you can apply for GCash credit. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comments. Don't forget to click on subscribe. Again, my name is Florante. Make it a great day.